Hi, my name is Morgan Aratola. I am currently living in Ketchum, Idaho, and I'm enrolled in two classes at UNE online this year. This class as well as a biology class. Hobbies, I like to ski and run, and currently it's snowing out, so that's good for the skiing part. I'm working as a respiratory therapist and continuing to take prerequisites to get into a PA program. So these are fitting that bill. So I'm just a part-time student and full-time job. Reason for taking these courses is it seems like a really great platform and everyone's been helpful and a fun way to learn. And with PA school being the hopeful end result. Other hobbies, I like to cook. I have a very adorable French bulldog, which I should probably just show you since he's right here. Hold on. This is Brew. This is my little baby, and hopefully you don't hear him in any of the other recordings, but he makes coming home from a 12-hour night shift pretty nice. Oh, and he's got a big yawn. We did a night shift last night. So, anyway, I'm excited to meet everyone in the class, and thank you very much.